It's not. Okay, now this is part 3 of the 5 parts of this series. And now he is shredding the corn. I mean, not the corn, the straw. Oh, look at all the dust. Oh, that's my brother. Am I on it? Wait, is he shredding it? Oh, I thought he was. He just changed the combine. There's something wrong with it, I guess. Oh yeah. Yeah. I thought he was going to start shredding it. Apologies to everyone in the NADNAD fan group. Oh. I thought he was going to start shredding it. Because, you see, so he just he got out of the combine and started messing around with it. What? I'm talking to the NADNAD fan. So he just jumped out the combine and started messing around with something. And the next thing I know it, boom, he's not shredding it. I thought he was going to start shredding it. I should have asked him, is he going to start shredding it? Because the field is literally like gigantic.
70 acres.
70 acres. I did not. Now, off he goes. I'm going to be zooming on this video, by the way. I don't care what anyone says.
We hit you tomorrow, probably.
What?
Got in this field.
Yeah. So what time is it now, like? 5:15? Yeah. So we might be back tomorrow with another video.
Good one, it's 20 past. 25. Oh no, he's going.
That's good for me. Because I get something.
Wonder what the tractor's going to do to get out of here. He's probably waiting for us to move, so I think we should move.
No.
Or just waiting for it.
Because they can't empty on...
Give me a minute.
It's so blurry. Sorry, everyone. There we go.
I'm going to go to the gate and see if
I don't...
we get some snacks or something.
There's a shop at the gate. Go. There's a shop near enough to the gate, you see. Okay, when he does a turn, I'm going to end it there. And is this part 4? I think so. This is either part 3 or 4. See, me want photo. Sorry. There's dust down my back. Yay! I hope you guys like the video. Like it, press the like button. And also, I do like the colour red. So make the subscribe button red by clicking on it. Because red is a cool colour. Red is a cool colour. Oh, he's hoovering up the straw, I think. Oh yeah, he wants to hoover up the straw. Why am I doing that? Oh, we can't witness the emptying. Wait, can we? Wait, I think we can. Got the arm out? Yeah. Right, let's go. Oh, not the tractor. See, he's a little thing inside of the combine that tells him how much the combine is full. So it's probably saying like 99% full or something now. Alright, the next part you're gonna love it, so stay tuned.